ladies and gents, welcome back to Damien Does It. Today we're going to be repairing and refurbishing our Craftsman miter saw stand. Stood up to the test. The only issue is can't leave it out in the rain, which I did because it's just particle board, but the rest of it is solid. And we've already taken measurements for top and the bottom. We're going to be using some of this, I believe it's poplar plywood that I've just had around from other projects. Okay, so this is going to work out great for the top, this poplar. And down here, which is particle board as well, we're not going to be putting anything heavy on it, so I think we can just go with some particle board again. Since I have this old dresser, it's just getting ruined, may as well utilize it. Okay, we have the largest piece off. I've looked it over, it's not warped, and there's only 2 little holes to fill. We'll use plastic Wood-X on that. I do have a video on that's exclusively for that plastic Wood-X. Check that out. Right now we're going to cut a nice square piece and then work on the other measurements from there. Since we don't have one big piece, we're cutting this into 3 pieces. And one thing that I've had to do because of these bolts here and over here, they're in every corner. Got to do some custom cutouts in the corners. So now we can fit it right in. We've taken the 2 largest pieces and worked them on the outside. Now we have this pre-cut one. I just had to cut it lengthwise, widthwise. It's almost perfect. This particle board will work just fine since it's on lower level, and we're not worried about it getting wet anymore since I'll be putting a cover on it. Now that we have the bottom done, we're going to go ahead and do the top. For that, we'll be using our mini skill screwdriver, which is great for tight spaces. We reviewed this tool if you're interested. Now that we have everything squared up, we're going to use our center punch. Now we're going to pre-drill our holes. Being careful not to go through the wood. Okay, we've set our screws in our pre-drilled holes. Now we're just going to button it down. For the bottom, I'll go ahead and leave it as is. But we can always clean it up. Just look around the side here. Most important part is the top, of course. Any improvements I make, I'll update, so be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to visit my channel for full-length videos.